Hello friends, Teacher Gabi here, and today I am going to tell a short story for kids. Oi, eu sou a Teacher Gabi e hoje eu vou contar uma pequena história para crianças. Essa história vai falar sobre um animal. Guess what? It's about cat. The name of the story is Pete, the cat, and the bad banana. O nome da história é Pete, o gato, e a banana ruim. É uma historinha bem pequenininha e eu espero que vocês gostem. So, pay attention, friends. Pete the cat is eating a banana. Pete loves bananas. They are sweet and tasty and easy to peel. Every morning, Pete puts banana on his cereal. Sometimes, Pete puts a banana on his peanut butter sandwich. But one day, Pete eats a bad banana. So, she make a banana cream pie. But Pete will not eat it. I get Pete a big banana split. And Pete says, no thanks. Instead, Pete tries a lemon. It's yellow like a banana, but the lemon is sour. Yucky, says Pete. Pete tries an orange. Pete tries fish, hot dogs, watermelon. Pete tries them all. And guess what? He is not hungry for bananas anymore. Espero que tenham gostado da pequena historinha. Bye bye, friends. I miss you. Kisses.